Hey y'all! Okay, so I have a haul for you guys. So as y'all can see by the title, I know y'all already see what haul it is, but it's a haul that I haven't done in a long time. So it is Torrid. I'm making like it say Torrid, but I got a Torrid haul that I haven't done in a while. I haven't done Torrid in could be a year. I don't know. I don't remember what the last thing I bought from Torrid. Oh no, I did a Torrid accessory haul because I used my $10 birthday bucks. So that could have been in March or April. My birthday is in March, so this year, but March or April. So that's a long time though. So it's a unwrapping, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. So let's just open her up. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise, but I promise it's gonna be worth it. Worth it. I got so much junk right now. Alright, so first one. I think they were having 70% off clearance. I have to look. I'm sure it says probably on my receipt, probably not. But the first one I got was, most of them are, I think all of them are baby doll tops that go good with biker shorts or leggings. So the first one is already by the material. I don't know if I'm going to like it. So the first one is, let me look at it first, y'all. I'm like, let me look at it first. Oh yeah, it's cute. So it's this flower print, floral flower print, baby doll spaghetti strap top, and the material I'm sure is probably polyester and rayon, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see the material first. Let's see. The material is 100% polyester. I'm getting really good with my materials. The front is ruffles with V-neck. So cute, and this will be a try on. So I noticed that it got like butterflies, dragonfly, look like flowers. It just screams spring and summer. But y'all know I vacation a lot. I've been on vacation every month, so these are good for when I go on vacation. So I do buy summer items in the winter, and I shop off season anyway. That's when you get the good deals, and you can save it for next year. It's always next year. So that's how you shop on a budget. This is a size 2. It retails for $42.90. And let's just get the receipt out so I can tell y'all what I paid in advance. Let's see. What I paid. Let's see. So this is the, I'm thinking that this is the Irie Floral Chiffon Baby Doll. Is this Irie? I'm thinking that's it. If this is it, I paid $6.58 for, and it retails for $42.90, and I paid $6.58 from Torrid. So it was 70% off all the clearance. So once again, this is how it looked. Remember, y'all see more detail on the try on. Okay, so the next one is this one. Oh, this one is like a thicker material, feel like a dress. So this one is, ooh, looks kind of big, but I always say that. Okay, this is a racer bag. This is cute. So this is a flower print, kind of floral, baby doll top as well, and it's a racer bag. I love racer bag. It zips in the front. The zipper is functional, and I know that because the model, she had it unzipped on one picture and she had it zipped up. That's what drew me to this, the zipper, because I wasn't going to get it. And I was like, that zipper, yeah. I got free shipping as well. So cute. And it's a size 2, which is an 18-20. Retails for $38.90. And let's see how much I paid for it. This is the, I would think this would say zipper or something. I'm gonna say the Ivory floral print. Yeah, this was the most expensive, so I paid $11.53 for this one. The material of this one is, these are great for biker shorts, denim shorts when you don't want to really show your stomach, your fupa, your muffin top. You can cover it with these kind of tops, or you can wear biker shorts. It might look cute with a pencil skirt, but mainly I will wear like leggings or biker shorts with these kind of tops because I think they look so cute. And more so like when you got really short booty shorts and you don't really want to be so, what you call it, exposed, you can wear like one of these tops. This, and I really don't own any baby doll top. I used to have a lot of them. So this is rayon and spandex. This material feels so nice. So, next, and it's longer than the other one. The next one is this one. I don't own any purple tops at all. So, I got these to go with my purple shorts from Forever 21. I thought this would look so cute with those purple shorts. Because I've been looking for a top to go with those purple shorts. So, this was started the haul, this shirt. So I was like, I can't just get one item. Let me see what else they have. And I like these straps because you can actually wear a regular bra with this. The other ones I probably wear a strapless bra, but this one you can just wear a regular bra because look how thick the straps is. I mean, the straps go thinner in the back, but you can wear a regular strap bra. You can actually wear a regular strap bra with those too. But and I didn't mention this one. It got that. I don't think I mentioned. It got that elastic back. I love that. Give you extra room. And so does this one. It got that elastic stretch in the back. So this one is long too. This is a floral print. They all floral print. They're all floral print. Y'all know I love floral. Floral print baby doll top. This is the back. So cute. And I love how the buttons is like invisible and button all the way down. Are they functional though? Nope, they're not functional, which is good. So it won't be any gapping for us busty girls. When they have these big boobs, the buttons start busting through. So this one, I don't know. It look like these tops is going to be kind of big, especially this one. But you never know once they get on. I always say that till they get on this big body. It's going to be a whole different story. So this is a size 2, retails for $42.90. Everything always looks big to me, and they all come with a button. I did notice that mostly all stores they come with extra buttons. First time I ever had to use the extra button was with brand new crop top from Forever 21 that I had for almost a year. As soon as I go to try it on, about to wear it, 2 buttons just pop off the front of them. I'm like, oh my god! So I had to use the buttons that they gave me. So they popped off. One popped off somewhere. I can't even find it. But good thing they had the extra button. I had to sew it. Good thing I know how to sew. So this is how it looks once again. Buttons all the way down. And the buttons are just faux buttons. They're not functional. So remember, y'all going to see more in the try on. Oh, what did I say? This material? This material is... what's this material? This material is... This is 100% rayon. 100% rayon. So I believe last but not... Oh, that one I paid $7.68 for. It retails for $42.90. I paid $7.68 for. So the last item, what did I get? Oh, I did get some bottoms. I got some lattice. I probably will. This with one of these tops. I probably wear it with the one that zip in the front. And these will be good for working out. These are some biker shorts. I got the lattice biker shorts, which is so cute. Black. And they got the cute little lattice detail on the side. I can't wait to try these on. So I'm going to try these on with all the tops. And here I'm thinking I just got tops. So cute. So cute. I probably won't work out in these. I'm going to use these with those tops. So cute. These are too cute to work out in. Size 2 retails for $22.90. And I paid for these. I paid, where is it at? I paid $8.24 for these, and they retail for $22.90. And y'all know Torrid got the best leggings, and I don't think I own a pair of Torrid leggings, but they, yeah, do I? I don't think I own a pair of Torrid leggings. I need to invest in some because they got the best leggings. Everyone raves about their leggings, so I know their biker shorts is going to be off the chain. So yes, I say off the chain. But yeah, I gotta invest in their leggings. Maybe I'll go back on the site and see if they got some leggings on sale, because I do not shop Torrid regular price. Oh no, it gotta be a coupon, it gotta be a discount. Matter of fact, they just sent me a coupon, so let me see if they sent the coupon in this order. Nope, no coupon today. They probably like, you gotta shop more. You ain't been with us that long. I mean, you ain't been with us for a long time. You gotta shop more. But they did send me a coupon in the mail. I'll probably check and see what can I do with what they give me to get some leggings. Yeah, I'm gonna get me some Torrid leggings. But anywho, I'm gonna try everything on for y'all, so stay tuned for the try on. But if you like this video, please like it, subscribe. Wait, y'all. Let me see. Torrid is, okay, no, it doesn't say it. So y'all just, well, I know my, so that's what, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20, 30, 31, 32. My total for everything was probably like $33. So I got 3 baby doll tops that's really good quality and a good quality biker short for $33 for all that. 4 items. Can't beat that at Torrid. So that was a great deal. So anyway, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can get an idea what Torrid have to offer and see what I got from Torrid. Leave me a comment, let me know how y'all like this video, and let me know what was your favorite item, and I'm about to try it on. So till next time, love you guys, ciao. Bye my fashion dolls, bye y'all. So cute and comfortable. Let me fix the camera, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all the top first. Y'all want to see the shorts on, but I'm going to lift up the top so y'all can see. So this is the top. It's so airy. It fits just right. I mean, it's a little big, but I mean, it fits good. I mean, I wouldn't want it tighter. It's so airy. The back fits nice. I would have on a different bra. I would have on a strapless bra with it. Or maybe like a black bra. So cute. Now get into the leggings, y'all. They're black, so y'all probably can't really see them. They come all the way up to here. The band is this thick. This is how the side looks. So comfortable. They're form fitting. They form to your body. Very comfortable. Very good quality. They feel like a girdle. They cinch you in. Love them. Let me see if they got some more of these. So cute, y'all. So cute. So cute. This is a look. So cute and comfortable. This just screams cookout, like cookout to me, or vacation, like a day outfit for vacation. Give it a twirl, give it a twirl, brother. So cute. I'm just a baby doll. I just love stuff like this. Love it. Alright, let me show y'all a little peep. If I wanted to wear it open like this, give it a little sexy look, you could turn a day outfit into a night outfit and hit the club. This is a cute club outfit too. Summer club outfit. Perfect for the summer club. Well, it's not a summer club, but it's an outdoor club that I go to. They have an indoor too. River deck. This would be perfect outfit for river deck. It's like a Caribbean theme. So cute. Alright. Don't spend so much time on one outfit. Now this top is fit a little tight in the boob area. It's like a little tight. Thank God for the elastic in the back. Well, I probably couldn't fit it. It's tight in the boobs. But it's going to work out. It's going to work out. It's short. It's way shorter than that one. I like the other one better though. But this is still cute. But y'all can see the leg is better with this one. And I could wear these biker shorts with either one. And I can actually wear this bra with it. I wouldn't wear this bra because this is not a good bra that I have on. I'll wear a different bra, but I probably can wear this color or yellow, white, nude, any color I like, or strapless. All right, I'm going to show y'all. Okay, y'all, here go the last and final top. This top can low-key be a dress, but I took the biker shorts on. I took the biker shorts off because I put on the shorts that started this haul. The reason why I wanted to buy everything anyway was this top to go with the purple shorts. And as y'all can see, the top totally swallowed the shorts. These are the shorts that I wanted to wear with the top. I don't know. It's not really a go. It doesn't really do anything for the shorts. It just swallows the whole short. I will need some longer shorts on with it because it looks like I don't have anything on. So I might as well just wear the biker shorts or some longer shorts or leggings so you can see what I have on at least. But this is the top. This is how it looks. Buttons all the way down. It stops right here, the button. And these are shorts that's from Forever 21. That was featured in a haul and try on. As y'all can see, I was looking for the tag. I never wore them. Tag still on them. But I don't think I would wear this top because it like defeats the whole purpose. It's like you can't see them. I like to wear shorts that you can at least see. Because it just looks like I'm walking around with my panties on. I mean, you can see it when I walk and move. It's cute though. I like that you can just wear a regular strap bra with it. It holds the girls good. It feels like I really don't have to wear a bra, but I do. So cute. So cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think about wearing this top with these shorts. If it's a go or not. Should I do it? I mean, it seems like I have dresses that's this length. It look like it could be a dress. A dress wears the, let's see. No, it can't be a dress. I'm sorry, I had to do the bend over test. You know how you bend over to see if your dress is too short to wear outside? Okay. That is all. Curtsy. 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 Bye, y'all. I love these shirts though, and the biker shorts. Oh boy. Let me know what was your favorite top. Okay, y'all, I'm back. If the lighting looked different, it's because I turned off some of my lighting because I was about to close up shop. But I put this top on. I think this looks better with the shorts. What y'all think? Pull them down some because they just so short. I think this one looks better because at least you can see the shorts more. But I don't know. With these shorts, I might have to wear like, let me show y'all, like a crop top or... Because my other one's like this, the yellow and the pink. I wore crop tops with them because it has so much detailing. It has so much distressing here that you don't want to not show. It have distressing on the back pockets. But I'll find something to go with this. And I'm sure I probably have something. I just don't know what it is, but I'll figure it out. But I just wanted to show y'all that these, if I did wear one of these tops with it, will be this one. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Let me know in the comments. Alright, I'm going for good this time.